Morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comment. Soybeans up about 3 cents overnight. Corn unchanged, wheat down about a penny. Since the Friday USDA report, we've seen beans rally up close to that 10.10 area in the November. I think the demand bulls won out against the supply bears, and the China's been buying beans ever since that report and probably during the report. So it is kind of an interesting market reaction when you have a record supply that you've rallied this much since the report. The consensus is that beans are going to be in a trading range. We might kind of get into a sideways market until we know more about demand and know more about the actual supply and see if the farmer's going to sell. That range could be $9.25 to $11 in the November beans, and I would think the closer you move to the higher end of the range, the farmer will sell more. If we move back down to the lower end of the range, I think demand will pick up. I was in Central Illinois yesterday at a co-op farmer survey meeting. They mentioned that farmers only have 4% of their last year's soybean crop to sell and sold up to 23% of their new crop. As far as the corn is concerned, that group confirmed, at least in that area of Central Illinois, a record corn yield. And didn't really see anything down there that would go the other side of that outlook. They said that Central Illinois, in their draw area, farmer still has 13% of his corn crop to sell and sold only 9% of the new crop. The one thing that I did see when driving from Chicago down to Central and back is the unbelievable uniformity of the corn and soybean crop. There's been some talk that you look at the soybean crop and you feel like you could walk on top of it. So uniform and so big. The other thing is 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 normal to below temps and normal rains. And the funds yesterday sold beans, meal, and corn, bought some soybean oil. And I think soybean oil seems to be the champion right now in price action because of all of the demand for China and India that's picking up global prices led by palm oil. And there's also talk that there might actually be demand for the September soybean oil delivery receipts. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.